In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an Excel pivot to auto-refresh on File, Open, and Source. This is a quick way to make sure your pivot table always shows the latest numbers without writing any VBA code at all. Let's jump straight in. Start by opening Excel, and then open the workbook that contains your pivot table. Once your file is loaded, look at the bottom of the window where the Sheet tabs are. Click the Sheet 1 tab because that's the sheet that holds the pivot we want to configure. Now click any single cell inside the pivot table itself. As soon as you do that, you'll see two new tabs appear up in the ribbon at the top: the PivotTable Analyze tab and the Design tab. These only show up when your cursor is actually inside a pivot, so that's how you know you've selected it correctly. Next, we'll turn on the setting that refreshes the pivot whenever the file is opened. Right-click on any cell inside the pivot table. A context menu will pop up with a list of options. Look near the bottom of that right-click menu and click PivotTable Options. The PivotTable Options dialog box will open in the middle of your screen, and this is where we'll change the setting we need. At the top of this dialog, you'll see several tabs running across the top edge. Click the Data tab to switch over to the Data Settings section. Inside the Data tab, find the checkbox labeled Refresh Data when opening the file, and click it so that a tick mark appears in the box. With that box checked, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog to confirm your change and close the window. From this point forward, every single time anyone opens this workbook, the pivot will refresh automatically before the sheet even appears on screen, so the data is always current. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's everything you need to do. You should now be back in your salesreport.xlsx file, with refresh data when opening the file checked inside PivotTable Options, and the auto refresh button toggled on in the PivotTable Analyze ribbon. The pivot will update within about a second of any source edit, and it will also refresh automatically every time the workbook is opened, all without using any VBA at all.